Today we are here to ask one simple question. How do we set up and mine the Night token? Let's find out. All right, before we get to this super simplified explanation for what the Scavenger mine is, it's the second phase of the Midnight Glacial drop. It's basically a way to grab any leftover Night tokens that other people didn't claim in the first airdrop. You don't need any special mining rigs, just your computer. Anyone can join, even if you weren't in the original snapshot. It only runs for a limited time. At this point in time, it runs for 28 days, 15 minutes and 59 seconds as of this point in time. So I haven't set this up yet. I'm gonna do it in real time. Let's hit the claim now button. All right, claim phase 2, Scavenger mine, choose a destination address. If you've already done the claim from the original airdrop, you can use the same destination tag that people have already used. If we see right here, can we use the same address that we used for phase 1 midnight drop? They said yes, the same destination address will work as long as you haven't sent any Cardano or anything to that wallet since the original airdrop. Okay, J Money from the future. Two quick things, especially from what I just said in the previous 30 seconds. Even though they say you can use the same destination tag, I was getting multiple errors, but those errors were also with the Yori wallet. For some reason, it's not allowing me to use it. I even tried to do enter manually, did some stuff through Yori, none of it worked. So we're gonna try to change this up right now and use the Eternal wallet, and I'm basically recording a majority of this video over again. So let's hit continue. So once we hit continue, we are going to get a pop-up right over here saying no DApp account set. So what we need to do is set up this Eternal wallet. Go to the Chrome store, make sure you download the correct wallet, the one that says eternal.io, add it on, and when you do, it should bring us to this page. It's gonna have us enter a PIN, and then it's gonna say how do we want to get our information over. We are gonna connect to a hardware wallet. We are going to hit Ledger. Once we do that, we are going to hit next, export. It's gonna have us confirm our wallet, connect, and now on the wallet itself, it is giving us this little pop-up saying confirm. Then it's gonna have us confirm our wallet name. I'm just gonna leave it defaulted. And we are officially over here. So assuming everything is correct right now, we are gonna come back over here, go to Eternal, hit continue. Now that we did that, we got a pop-up on the computer and it says connect to sm.midnight.gd. So we're gonna hit get access. Once we do that, we're gonna come over here to continue and tap continue. Perfect, now we are on this screen and it says your destination address is set. It did give me a slightly different address that I used before, but because everything is set to the same Ledger device, it really doesn't matter, and I don't want to fight the system to try to use the same destination address since it's already been giving me errors. So what we're going to do now is hit next. It's going to make us read. Reading is important. You definitely want to read all this, and all jokes aside, you probably should read all this, but I'm not going to. So I'm going to hit accept and sign. Over here, it has a whole bunch of information that popped up. And since I can't get my open broadcaster to actually show what's on screen, I'll either take a screenshot or a photo for you to see in the video. But I am going to tap sign. Once I do that, we got a little pop-up on the Ledger device telling us to confirm. And basically, I'm going through right now and just confirming everything. It brought me through about 6 different acceptance things. So now I'm going on to the last step, which says sign message. And now it's saying loading Scavenger miner. All right, perfect. So now we are on this screen, solve cryptographic challenges. It's gonna have you go through here and we are going to hit start session. Once we do that, it looks like it is officially starting to do everything right now. And it will start hash rating our Night token, if that's the correct terminology. I'm not super big into mining, even though I have a couple of them. But with that being said, right now it is at 10:36 p.m. I'm gonna give it about 20 minutes to do its thing so we can verify everything, and I will be back in about 30 minutes. Alright guys, the time is 11:04. I also realized the original time frame I told you at the beginning of the video was wrong because I think it said like 28 days or something like that. This whole thing ends on November 19th. We have 20 days, 20 hours, 55 minutes, and 2 seconds. But it's been going, not much has changed. It seems like I'm going to need to be letting this do its thing for probably a couple days before it shows me any actual estimated earnings. So what I'll end up doing is I will set up a video for either Friday or Saturday with estimated profits and everything, but at least you guys see how to actually do all this. I highly recommend not using Yori for this, even though Yori was super easy and good to use for the initial Glacier airdrop. It's just not working right now, and from what I'm reading online, a lot of people are having the same issues. But guys, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like, subscribe. I'm pretty close to 2,000 subscribers, so that would be really cool to hit. But other than that, take care, spike your hair. I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.